top 5 meme coins to buy this bull run. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Omar Khan. Today, we're looking at top 5 meme coins you should buy this bull run. Guys, with the Bitcoin halving happening in less than 24 days, we're going to see a crazy amount of money enter the market, and these meme coins are going to go absolutely ballistic. With the start of the bull market, we see the meme coins have already been on a frenzy, and here's some opportunities you may not want to miss. Before I start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. The first coin on this list is Dogecoin 20. This is a pre-sale puppy that has already raised over $10 million. And guys, if you're new to the meme coin world, you know these puppies have always been fan favorite coins. We saw it with Shiba Inu. We saw it with Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. Could Dogecoin 20 be that next 100x gem? Quite possibly. As you can see, guys, they actually had a pretty solid launch. Exciting news for the Doge 20 community. We're thrilled to announce that the Doge 20 claim date and is saved the date for April 20th, International Doge Day. Now, for those who missed a pre-sale, there's still an opportunity to get in. So for those who missed a pre-sale, we're offering one final opportunity to participate before the launch of our last chance buy stage. Why is it launching April 20th? It's more than just a date. It's to celebrate Doge culture and community. As you can see, culture, community has been a big theme for this project, hence making this a top 5 cryptocurrency to buy now. They have over 8,000 followers on Twitter, guys, and we can see they're again raised over $10 million, and now they got 24 days left for some final buys. They could potentially raise another $10 million. This is going to be a project you might not want to miss. All you need to do is buy Doge at the lowest pre-sale price. You're going to want to get in. Now let's take a look at the next coin. The next coin on this list is Slurf. This Solana coin has been taking the internet by storm, almost hitting a $500 million market cap, raising to the top 250 coins on CoinMarketCap. And we see on the month, guys, up 36%. They're having some solid pumps and look like some solid basing as well. Is this project ready to take off? Let's take a look at what this project has to offer. So raids, we raid fast. A simple website, very meme-ish. We see he's in a Cybertruck racing Pepe. It's in a Lambo. The Pepe looks cheese. There's the Slurf. It's just passing by. Winners take all in his little Cybertruck. Guys, these meme coins have been going absolutely frenzy. And when I'm talking about these, I'm talking about these Solana-based coins. We could easily see this hit a $1 billion market cap, which would be a simple 2x. We can already see the price at 89 cents. Can we see this at $2? Can we see this at $4? It's going to be crazy. Also, it's been added on futures trading, so you could leverage. So Coinbase introduced futures trading for Doge, LTC, BCH, and Slurf for April 1st. So this is going to be absolutely insane. You may want to get a bag. Obviously, not financial advice. The next coin on this list is a fan favorite cryptocurrency, Pepe coin. Guys, do we even need to talk in details about Pepe? Let's put it here. It's been trending in the top 10 category. It's been sitting at 1, 2, 3. It was bumped down to 10 a couple days ago, but this one has been basically a top 1 trending token the entire bear market, and now looks like the majority of the bull market as well. It's absolutely insane. It is down 3% on the day. This would be some great opportunities to buy while it's still in the red. In terms of pumping, guys, we're up 10% on the week, and the month we're only up 10%. For a meme coin, it's quite conservative. And we look at the all, guys, solid pump, and we're seeing some consolidation here as well. So it looks like this is a good line of resistance. It's not going to drop lower than here as the charts are suggesting. You may want to grab a bag. $3.6 billion, a top 50 cryptocurrency, ranking number 16 in terms of volume, over $800,000 in volume. Pepe is a coin you don't want to sleep on, and also it's available on a bunch of different exchanges: Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, you name it, which is great. It shows a lot of retail people buying as well. The website as well, very simple website. We covered it so many times in the past before, but you might want to grab a bag. Now, the next token on the list is Book of Meme. This one is a Solana, another Solana gem that has took the internet by storm with possibly the worst website I've ever seen in terms of the crypto project. I believe this was to pay homage to one of the first websites ever created. It's like a copy-paste website introducing Book of Meme, an experimental project poised to refine Web3 culture. Basically, another meme project that's just took the internet by storm. When this project launched, guys, it hit $1 billion in market cap in 48 hours. How high can we see this puppy go? Can we see this hit Shiba Inu levels of market cap? If we did, we'd be seeing a solid 20 30x gains, and we'll be setting some solid price action. This is going to definitely be a coin you want to add to your list. Now, the last coin on this list is Dog with Hat, which is currently trading at $3.35, up 12% on the day. If you do enter Dog with Hat, guys, I would strongly suggest entering more on a red day. As we see, this puppy has just pumped incredibly, pumped another 50% this week, 500% this month. It's pumped like crazy. We obviously anticipate it's going to have some pullbacks. It has to have some pullbacks, and you're probably gonna want to enter on a red day. $3.3 billion in market cap. This meme coin has took the internet by storm. Top 45 cryptocurrency, top 19 in terms of volume, with over $800,000 in volume traded. This is absolutely insane. The community is so strong for Dog with Hat, and we see the website is, what is Dog with Hat? With is literally just a meme coin. It's literally just a dog with a hat. It's as simple as that, guys. Hey, these are working, so why not, right? All these meme coins, that's basically what they are. It's just a meme coin. They keep it simple, they keep it fun, clean. We see some animations, and took the internet by storm. We're seeing a strange point in the market, guys, where people are buying into memes, or buying into communities, but the overall trend is, if you want to make money, you got to get in early. You got to get in on red days. That's why I highlighted Doge 20 for #1, because it's a pre-sale gem, and we're seeing a ton of success with these pre-sale coins. And with what's happening in the market, guys, with all this Bitcoin buying, Bitcoin halving going on, we are going to see the craziest bull run we've yet to ever see. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Let me know what you think of my top 5 pick. Did I miss a coin that should have been added on the list? Let me know in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.